How to download MetaTrader 5 in an Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download MetaTrader 5 in an Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the search icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for MetaTrader 5. Now click on the second option where you can see the icon for MetaTrader 5. Click on it and tap on install. Once you click on install, your app will start to download. So as you guys can see, MetaTrader 5 is installing in our device. Now simply click on open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download MetaTrader 5 in Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.